Jackie and go close the door. The Jackie and April show. This episode features the most annoying sound in the world. My phone's better than yours.
Your phone is not better than mine's, April.
Let me see your gift.
Look at this. Do you see this tape on it?
That's what you call ghetto.
That was the most annoyingest sound in the world.
Sure.
Say sure again.
Sure.
I'll make you cry. Say sure again.
Sure.
Say it again.
Sure.
You got me effed up.
The most annoying sound ever. Oh my god. There we go.
Let's see how long April can stand it in her ear.
Ow!
This is not even gonna be.
Imagine waking up to that. Oh my god. Oh my god.
The phone never closes. It got tape on it.
Ah!
What about this sound? What about this sound?
Stop it! Get out of my face. Stop it now. That's really annoying. Don't you guys hate it when you're taking... Don't you guys hate it when you take a test and there's one person that keeps sneezing, like it's totally quiet, and then there's just one person. Achoo, achoo, achoo. Low key, low key.